Dubai gets a lot of hate and a lot of hype, but let's be honest, there are so many things that Dubai does better than most countries. And if you live here, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, first, being safety. Dubai is genuinely one of the most safest cities in the world. You can walk out safe at night, you can take the public transport without stressing, and if you ever leave your phone or wallet somewhere outside, you can still expect it to be exactly where it is. That level of safety gives you peace of mind, and honestly, that's priceless. Second, being cleanliness. Everything is well maintained over here. The roads, the metros, the buses, public spaces, everything is maintained constantly. Even public transport is cleaned daily, multiple times a day. And the thing is, we don't realize how important it is until we travel somewhere else and actually see a place which lacks this kind of cleanliness and maintenance. Third is infrastructure, things that actually work. Dubai's infrastructure is elite. Roads make sense, signboards are clear, and the internet is fast. Public services are efficient. You are not fighting the system every day here. In fact, the system works with you to make your life easier and better every single day. And that saves time, energy, and sanity. Fourth, being convenience. Everything is easy. Dubai is literally built for convenience. You want food at 3 a.m., that's super normal here. You want a taxi at 3 a.m., you get it from anywhere. You can either book a taxi through apps like Zed, Careem, or Uber, else you can also find taxis all across the city, even at any odd hour in the night. Groceries, medication, restaurants, everything is open 24 hours. Life here is fast, but it's also extremely efficient. And once you get used to that, there is no going back. The fifth point being diversity. This is a world in a city. There are over 250 nationalities living in Dubai in peace and harmony. Dubai is one of the most diverse cities in the world. You meet people from literally everywhere. Different backgrounds, different cultures, different countries, different beliefs. And everybody is here to live the dream city and live their dream life. And this kind of exposure, this kind of experience helps you open your mind to a world that in no other way another country could ever do. Dubai isn't perfect. No place is. But when it comes to safety, cleanliness, infrastructure, and convenience, Dubai sets the standard. If you have experienced this too, you'll understand why so many people call this city home. I call this my home. And like always, if you guys have learned a little bit more about Dubai with me today, then stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.